So here is the room, the way it looks. Now to your left hand side, right over here, they have got these 2 water bottles for you. And then there are these 2 glasses. Along with that is these nuts. These are the assorted nuts. There are like 4 cans of cashew nut and then almond and then almond yet again. And yes, what are these? These are potato crisps. Okay, let's see what else is right over here into the basket. The other thing that's there into this basket is this cookies and then some salted peanuts along with a bottle of Sula vineyards. Well, it's of no use to me, but I'm sure the people who love to have, they're gonna really love this. Now along with that, we have got here mugs, some sachets for your milk, sugar, just the very regular stuff that you get, coffee pouches, and then green tea and the some tea and all of those knickknacks. And then there's another cup, so you get 2 cups, of course, the coffee maker, and after that you have this huge television. Now looking into the COVID protocols, here's the remote that has been covered up, a sachet of sanitizer. Okay, let me also show you what's there below. So oh wow, like dairy milk silk, and then the Snickers. But what I am really interested in is this one, so I'm gonna smash this one right away. Let's see what next. Okay, so right over here is the working desk with a beautiful painting right over here, very subtle yet very nice, and the lamp, the phone, the desk. Okay, also what's over here are certain guidelines that you need to ensure, and the menu card, the digital menu card, you just have to scan and you get the list of food. And here are the massive curtains covering it. Right over there is the couch. There, lamps. Okay, there are like 2 of them right over there, 1 over there, again a telephone right over there besides the bed. One of it is onto the other side as well for the 2 people on the 2 corners, and a massive bed right in front of me. Can't really tell you how cozy it is right now, but let me share that even with you. Right at the top are these lights. Well, over to this side is the cupboard, another painting, and there's a kind of a desk. I've kept my bag over there, and these are some shelves. I believe that's also kind of a small cupboard, I'm not sure, like a massive space over here. Let me open the shelf. Yeah, the iron table, the weighing machine, and the iron and the locker and some other stuff. So I believe the bags and everything. I don't know, what is this? Oh, the shoe polish. Okay, right over here is this mirror. Okay, and then the washroom over to the side. The washroom I felt is a little small, that's the only problem, but otherwise it's quite really clean. The loo is quite really clean, again with that painting over there, the mirror, and the lights, quite really many number of lights. So this is early morning, this is the next day, and now I'm heading for the breakfast. So I'll show you how the breakfast looks like. It's actually a buffet. तो देखते हैं buffet में क्या क्या चीज़ है. What I've decided is कि buffet के लिए I'll make a separate video. So just go and check that video. I'll link it somewhere above. But I'll just give you a quick glimpse of what were the things into the breakfast.